Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz with just a couple quick navigation tricks in Act CRM. So if I'm in a contact right here and I'm on the contact name and I want to go to the next field, all I have to do is hit the tab key. And if I hit the tab key, I just cycle through the fields. But if all of a sudden I realize, wait a minute, I missed something and I want to go backwards, I can hold the shift key and then the tab key and go backwards. So shift and tab moves backwards, tab moves forward. Another quick thing, sometimes when you're typing, you might misspell something. Let's say instead of Main Street, it's Maine. Well, if I click here, yeah, I can navigate to the end. But if I double click on a word, I can type over the entire word. Now, if I come into any area and I triple click, 3 quick clicks, it selects everything. So double click on a word, selects that word, triple click, selects the entire paragraph. And the paragraph being just what you can see in that particular field. If you had a bigger field with a lot of information, it would select the entire paragraph. Okay, my friends, just a couple quick tips to make ACT a little bit more interesting and easy to use every single day. Okay, be well. Bye now.